Hello, this is Aviation Blue Tech coming to you with another video. Today's video is going to be my unboxing, my latest unboxing video of my latest models that I just got. I just got these today. Very happy with them. Uh, there are 6 models in total. Two, I think the two Uniteds, the Embraer 170 and the Dash 8, I think they came out last month. But the other 4 just came out. 3 of them are from Phoenix and 1 is from Aeroclassics. So another announcement I'm gonna be making is I'm probably gonna lean towards doing Boston. I was thinking about doing Newark, but it becomes kind of stale and boring when you just do Newark. Will be too many United um, flights. But let's see what happens. I might do one or two videos just to show up the because I really want to show up my United Airlines fleet, and that'll be the best way to do it. So I'll probably do 1 or 2 of those videos, and then I move on to Boston, where it's more diverse. So anyway, without any further delay, let's get this video started. All right, first we got this JetBlue Airbus 320 in the New York Jets colors. Registration number is November 746 Juliet Bravo. This is the second paint scheme from JetBlue on the Jets. So they repainted this aircraft. Gotta tell you I do like it. However, the green, the lighter green that's on the mainly on the fuselage, it is on the what it depends. If you look at it, the way I look at it right now, it looks too light. But if you look at it on video, it might look the correct color. So if you do get it, you will see what I'm talking about if you've seen the aircraft up close, which I have. And but other than that, it's a very nice model. Again, I just wish they had a dome also. Hopefully Aeroclassics works on that. And but other than that, it is definitely a plane to get. Next, we have AeroMexico 737-800 from Phoenix. Registration number is November 861 Alpha Mike. There are 2. This is on the Corona livery. I believe there's 2 of them that come in this paint scheme. The other one is the registration is it's a Mexican registration, I believe. The So you could see the Phoenix is very detailed. I like it. It's very nice model. I definitely recommend it. You do see these aircraft a lot in Orlando. We see them all the time. New York, all over the U.S. cities, you see them. So I highly recommend this model. If you get a chance, it's a must for you collectors. Next, we have EVA Air Cargo from Phoenix, 777 dash freighter. Registration is Bravo 16781. Soon as I saw this model, I knew I had to get it. I do collect cargo models, and I would do. I did last year a video on the cargo, my model collection, but it has grown since, and I will do that was one of my first videos I ever did, but I will do another one with all the updated models that I have. But anyway, this one I wasn't aware that they just have one 777 freighter in their fleet that they just got in November. They do have I think it's 4 orders, and they will be replacing them for the 747 freighters that they got. you will probably see this one when I do my LAX model airport. It is a beautiful model, and for your cargo collectors, it's definitely get a must have. Next, we have an Interjet Airbus A321 from Phoenix. Registration number is X-Ray Alpha Dash Juliet Papa Bravo. You mainly see this on the Mexico City Cancun route. I think it's got 194 seats. I was surprised. I thought it was a high density on these aircraft, but I read up on it and it's only 192 seats. So if that is correct, it's a very comfortable ride. But on this one, the colors, I'm not sure. I think it's the blue might be a little in the dark color. I think it might be a little too much. It's hard to tell. I have a Gemini, and I think that one is more correct. And I think that happens to Phoenix a lot. They usually have the paint scheme in some models always a little darker. But other than that, it's a nice model, and hopefully, I could show you guys this model when I do the LAX airport if they fly then. Next, you have the United Express Embraer 170 from GeminiJets. Registration number is November 637 Romeo Whiskey. You would definitely see this one when I do an update on the Newark Airport and also Boston and LAX. I was waiting for actually the Herpa model that never arrived. I thought they got in pre-order because I would have still be waiting for it. But I'm glad Gemini got it, and I do like it. The 170, I do prefer the E190. Just looks more proportional as far as an aircraft. But everybody's mostly everybody has the 170. So but anyway, it looks I didn't see no issues with it. Definitely buy for you commuter collectors. So it's a definitely get. Last but not least is United Express -8-200 from GeminiJets. Registration number is November 365 Papa Hotel. I was hoping that I would get to show you guys this model when I did the Newark Airport, but unfortunately I did not see any more turboprops operating out of that airport, which is a shame. But other than that, it's a beautiful model. I recommend it for your commuter collectors. And other than that, I did not see any issues with it. So I definitely recommend it. Okay, let me show you one more glance of each model. Well, this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, take care.